Hey there, it's Tally from Bravo, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of selling a firearm to another FFL. From the Bravo dashboard, start by searching for the FFL by entering their name into business name and then selecting search. If found, you can verify you have the correct match by the FFL number displayed here and then choose select. If not found, as in our example, choose add new customer. The business name now appears. Add in their FFL number by selecting the business tab here. Complete the FFL number field, the expiration date, and finally fill in the tax-exempt certificate number here and then select Save. Bravo moves us into the transaction screen to now add the firearm. Scan or type the inventory number into the Smart Search and choose Search. Here is the firearm that we're selling. Remove any non-applicable fees or plans if present by selecting Delete. They are easily added back in here. Now select Tax Exempt. If no other adjustments need to be made or additional items need to be added to the ticket, select Next. And now on the FFL processing page, we can verify the FFL number, add in any store notes, hold, or in this example, release the items, and then select Next. Select the payment method. In this scenario, we will say the FFL sent us a wire transfer found under check. Now select Save and then print the receipt. The A&D book is now updated and we are done. For additional information, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.